Just hang in there to the end. The last 45 seconds have corrections.
Alright, I really think that the chakras were interesting. The 7 plus the 5 dimensions. Your higher self, your aura, your solar system, your
Galaxy, your universe type deal. Okay? And you wouldn't be able to look at all this stuff if it wasn't for your screen. So my light could get to you. So that's a dot. So you have 12 plus 1 is 13 dots. Okay? You have 13 dots, which means you have 12 lines. Okay?
add those up, you get 25.
Which is the letter Y. Alright? Which is a question. Why am I even talking about this? Okay. Well, where did I put it? Sorry, it brings me back to here, okay? Because 12 lines is an 11 circled, and 13 dots is a 12 circled. Now, let's look and see what we have here. So, X, Y, Z. Okay? Start with the 11 circled lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so far, we got 10. And let's see the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So it looks like we're one off. Really. Wait. 11. It's been a late night, guys. So it looks like we're one off in both aspects. Really, it's two off because you have to up the number by one and then put another one for around it. So we're missing 2 in each. But check this out, okay? This is super important. This is super important. You're creating a one-dimensional line going in and out of the page, okay? That's what's going on right there. Now, that adds another line. But in order to make that line finite, you know that at the end of this line, on this side and this side, there's going to be a dot. But from this point of view, if this is a one-dimensional line, looking like a dot, those are going to have to be one-dimensional lines, top and bottom. Do you see what I'm saying? I don't know. But I do believe that you're still viewing this all on the screen. And there's one-dimensional line going down, and it's going to have to be capped at the top and bottom with one-dimensional line. Which would be going microscopically infinite. But anyways, there's a line going down as 0 is a 1, so I still think that'll up it your +1 on both. And because you're watching it in screen, conceptually you have to circle it to not account for the screen. So that's going to be your 12 and your 11, and it's going to work out. So, Y, 12 and 13, 2 5s. I get it. Because of Y, it's doing the reverse 3 makes 4 makes 5. Okay? 2 5s means it makes a 5 on top and a 5 on bottom. Meaning, really, all you're creating one-dimensional line going up. Think tetrahedrons, guy. And a shape, which is a Y.
two 5s. You have top and you have a bottom. And 5's a V. Just means 3 makes 4 makes 5. It's the whole thing I'm talking about. Anyway, I'm probably not being as coherent as earlier. I think I'm done. I'll end strong, because look at this. If you have an 8 that is both blue and red, and it's circled with the red and the blue, it's like having one circled 8 and a second circled 8. Like a 16, you know? Like a 16. You know, guy? I find the 33 on top of the 8 and being 16 and a 33 all rather interesting in this world of duality where your black line, when expanded upon, becomes the visible light spectrum. Red to violet. Roygbiv. That's an I, that's a... Anyway. Alright, remember the 2 that I was missing here and here? Remember I got the 10, and I got the 11, and I needed to get the circle and the +1 here? For both? I found them. And they're right here. So let's just take a look over here. This is what actually is happening. We're just looking at it from this direction. But we see, I only counted these dots once. But there's a dot here, a dot here, a line here, and a line here. So there's my 2 and my 2. That's how you get this. And this.